You can earn up to $100 a day using these 8 legit online games that pay real money in 2024. But before we go over my favorite game, let's start with number 8, play video games. If you're more of a video game person as opposed to a mobile game person, you can still make money by starting a video game review blog, becoming a professional video game tester, or live streaming video games. These options will take more time to get up and running, but they might be more profitable in the long run. Number 7, My Points. My Points allows you to earn points for playing games, shopping online, and taking surveys. The average game earns users 4 points, and you'll need around 1,600 points to cash out for a $10 gift card. If you participate in other activities, like scanning receipts from purchases and taking a few surveys, you'll accumulate points much faster than if you only play games. Number 6, Swag Bucks. Similar to Inbox Dollars and Cash Kick, Swag Bucks allows you to earn money for shopping online, playing video games, searching the web, and answering surveys. According to Swag Bucks, the average user makes $2 to $5 per day, or $1,800 per year. Number 5, Blackout Bingo. If you're a big bingo fan, Blackout Bingo will be right up your alley. You'll compete in bingo games against players around the world, with the winners taking home a cash prize. While earnings vary, users have reported anywhere from $1 to $700 in earnings. Number 4, Bingo Cash. Similar to Blackout Bingo, Bingo Cash allows you to compete against players around the world to win gems, which are later converted into cash. It will take some time to earn gems, but several users have reported no issue withdrawing their earnings once they hit the threshold. Number 3, Missed Play. Missed Play isn't a game itself. It's a mobile app for developers to share their games and get feedback. The more games you play, the more award units you earn. You can then redeem those units for gift cards to Amazon, PayPal, and more. Number 2, Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is known for their paid survey opportunities, but their paid game opportunities are just as good. The best part? You get $5 right off the bat, just for signing up. And lastly, number 1, my personal favorite, Cash Kick. Cash Kick is another platform with several opportunities to make money, from taking surveys to watching videos to playing online games. You'll need to reach $10 in earnings before you can withdraw, but once you do, it's a simple cash-out process in PayPal. Here's a great video showing how one person made money using Cash Kick. And just like that, we went over the 8 legit ways to get paid to play games online. If you want to see another cool video just like this, where we go over 25 ways to make money from your phone, click here.